life happens to our clothes, whether it's a hard day's work or kids rolling around wherever they can, so it's no surprise when a hole suddenly shows up. Luckily, repairing denim is easier than you might think. Let me show you how to bring those jeans back to life. If you have a bigger hole, especially on jeans, an iron patch is your best friend. We're going to place the iron patch on the inside of the pair of jeans and press it with a hot iron. Make sure that your iron patch is large enough to cover the hole. Turn your pant leg inside out. Cut the strings, the extra threads. Make sure the hole is close together. Put the patch on top. And you press. Move it around, or you can just leave it there for a few seconds. Careful. It's going to be hot. Just let it cool down. And then when it cools down, you turn the pant leg to the outside again. This gives your clothes a lot more strength while keeping them wearable. You place a patch and you press for a few seconds. It sure helps with the irons on.